Cybersecurity is no longer about running tools. If that's your only skill, you're replaceable. But real cybersecurity was never about clicking buttons. Real security means going deeper, understanding vulnerabilities at their root, breaking real systems, and thinking like real attackers. And yet, most people are still learning like it's 2010. So we built something new. VantagePoint is the new way of learning cybersecurity. Not by watching, not by finding flags, by doing. Your journey starts from a powerful dashboard, giving you instant access to labs, challenges, progress, and certifications. Launch hyper-realistic labs on demand with a single click. No waiting, no schedules, just real-world environments instantly. These aren't toy simulations. Every lab mirrors real-world infrastructure, messy, complex, and unpredictable, just like real security engagements. Work through real-world challenges designed to build real skills, not just theory. VantagePoint certifications come with unlimited lab access, no total time limit on exams. Each challenge is individually timed, so you solve like real professionals, not rush students. Track everything on your personal achievements page. Skills mastered, certifications earned, badges unlocked. Your entire cybersecurity journey beautifully organized in one place. Go even deeper with CVE Cypher Labs. Deploy environments built around critical real-world vulnerabilities. Practice high-impact CVEs. Test security tools. Build real exploits. Understand how real breaches happen. Cybersecurity today isn't about knowing tools. It's about skills, real skills. Leave behind the traditional ways of learning. Step into real-world environments. Practice like real professionals. Build skills that actually matter. The new generation of cybersecurity learning.